mean, everybody knows that Mrs. Dalian is bipolar. Remember how crazy she was when we had her? Well, now my brother has her for 6th grade, and she threw a desk at a child.
She's getting worse.
She's dangerous. But as I was saying, my mom is so annoying. She insists on cleaning the house before the maid comes over. Like, what's the point? The maid wants to clean. That's her job.
This chicken is overcooked.
Typical Sun House. Does your mom do that too?
Do what?
Clean before the maid comes?
We don't have a cleaning woman.
You don't?
Nope. We are left to our own devices to clean the house.
Oh, I admire that about you. Not good. Do you remember Cindy Vu? She was in our class.
Yeah, name rings a bell.
Well, her family owns Sun House. She never washed her hands in school.
Wait, you saw this?
I heard it, but that's why I never eat here.
How do you even remember that? That was like...
Oh, did I tell you? My mom just bought a new Shiba. It's the cutest thing, but terribly privileged. I mean, the dog took my bedroom. Suppose Mom couldn't stand the void that was left in my place.
What's its name? Bulldog? Shiba's name is Bulldog.
I'm convinced my mom has separation anxiety. I mean, she buys a new animal every time one of us leaves home. You know how parents get. I mean, how'd your mom handle things when you moved out?
She didn't. Megan, this is the second time you've asked me about my mother.
Oh. I'm sorry if it's like a touchy subject or...
It's okay. She's dead.
Dead? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. When did she die?
When we were in 4th grade. You went to the funeral, Megan.
I did?
Yeah. Yeah, the whole class showed up. Even the popular kids who hated me. They came and they were nice to me. Everyone was. Except for you. You treated me no better or worse. You know, I distinctly remember you walked right up to the casket, turned back to me and said, "Elizabeth, love is an interminable illness." It was right then that I thought that no one our age possessed quite an intellect as sophisticated as yours. I mean, knowing what love was helped me grieve. Helped me cope. I even questioned if I was in love with you. And then you stopped talking to me. And now it seems you have turned quite shallow. And materialistic. Well, maybe you were always that way. Those wise words you gave me at the funeral, just a phrase you had read on a morbid fortune cookie. From a Sun House or something like it.
I'm sorry, Elizabeth. I have no recollection of the funeral.
Well, it meant a lot to me.
Perhaps I had repressed it. Maybe it was like a bad memory for me.
For you? A bad memory for you?
No, I didn't, I'm sorry. That was insensitive. I didn't mean to imply that it was worse for... It looks like the birds like Sun House.
They're eating their own.